And for that, we are going to go and check out how we can filter the stock. So we have done various levels of filtration, and that's what the levels which you can see here. You can see here there are levels visible here. So this is our level 1. Level 1, there is level 1. Okay, there is level 2 and there is level 3. So there are level 1, 2 and 3. So now let me explain to you the significance of level 1, 2 and 3. So what is a level 1 stage? Okay, let's start from the bottom. Level 3 are trades that are above the CPR. Okay, that are moving above the CPR. On the buy side, if it's a green one, and if it is a level 3 sell. Okay, this is a level 3 sell. So these are stocks which are below the CPR. Okay. Now we have applied additional levels of filtration. What are we doing is we are ensuring that you get a better quality. So we are seeing, has the price crossed the previous day's high? Okay. We are seeing that if it has crossed the previous day's high, then it comes into level 2. Then if it has crossed the previous day's high, and if it has crossed even R1, then it is coming into level 1. So a stock crossing CPR or above CPR, crossing previous day high and crossing R1 Fibonacci, then that stock is considered as a level 1 candidate, right? That stock is considered as a level 1 candidate. Now, in the same way, if you take a look on the downside, how does it work? A stock crossing below S1, then a stock crossing below the CPR, crossing S1 previous day high, and then crossing S1, then that stock is considered as a level 1 trade. So level 1 trades are the highly qualified trade. So where do you have to trade? Right? All the neo traders have to concentrate on a level 1 trade on the buy side or on the level 1 trade on the sell side. So that is how we have designed it. Now, you may ask that markets are moving so fast. How can I keep track of the same? Don't worry, we have your back. And what we do is we are constantly telling you